salmon kabobs. Let's get to cooking. So this is a mixture of mirin, miso paste, and a little bit of sweetener, and I used monk fruit sweetener, a tablespoon of monk fruit, 4 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of the miso paste. And we're going to put the miso paste on the kabobs, and then I also have some cabbage, which I put a little bit of miso paste on, and some broccoli. We're going to broil this in the oven. We're also going to broil our kabobs. Brush here. I'm going to add a little pepper to the salmon first. Alrighty. Okay, everything has been marinated. Okay, everything's done. Looks amazing. So let's taste this salmon kebab. It's so delicious looking. Okay. That is delicious. There's no looking about it. It's just divine. Tender, juicy. The best salmon. I got this salmon, it's wild caught. I got it from the farmer's market. West Coast Seafood. Thank you, Marilyn. Let's get to cooking.